In the rich tapestry of Greek mythology, Aphrodite emerges as one of the most significant and powerful goddesses, embodying the essence of love, beauty, pleasure, and procreation. As the daughter of Zeus and the Titaness Dione, or according to some myths, as emerging from the sea foam after Cronus castrated Uranus, she holds a unique place among the deities, representing the profound and multifaceted nature of desire. Aphrodite's birth is depicted in vivid artistry, often visualized with her rising gracefully from the ocean waves in a shell. This imagery captures her ethereal beauty and profound connection to the wind and sea, symbolizing the allure and complexity of love. Throughout her narratives, she is celebrated not only as a deity of romance, but also as a potent force that influences both the divine and the mortal realms. Her depictions often portray her as a youthful, radiant figure, a representation of idealized beauty and grace, symbolizing the heights of feminine allure. With her invariable companions, a bow and a quiver of arrows, she wields the power to inspire love and desire, while also evoking jealousy and strife. Among the symbols aligned with her are the rose, which signifies both beauty and the pain that can accompany love, the dove, representing gentleness and peace, the myrtle tree, sacred to her as a symbol of eternal love, and the apple, which embodies desire and temptation. As the goddess of love, Aphrodite holds significant influence over human emotions, inciting passion and fostering connections. She is the patroness of lovers, often invoked in matters of romance and affection. Her ability to sway hearts illustrates her dual nature as a nurturing force, while also embodying the chaos that love can sometimes inspire. Her powers reflect the complexities of desire, which can lead to joy, but also to conflict and turmoil, as she often finds herself at the center of both romantic encounters and dramatic confrontations. One of the most famous myths surrounding her is the Judgment of Paris. In this tale, the goddess of strife, Eris, throws a golden apple inscribed with "To the fairest among the goddesses." Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite all claim the title, leading Paris, a Trojan prince, to adjudicate the contest. Each goddess offers a bribe to sway his decision, with Aphrodite promising him the love of Helen, the most beautiful mortal woman. Paris's choice of Aphrodite ultimately leads to the Trojan War, showcasing her capacity to incite love and conflict alike. Another poignant story is that of Aphrodite and Adonis, the beautiful youth whom she loves deeply. Tragically, Adonis is killed by a wild boar, a loss that plunges Aphrodite into profound grief. In her sorrow, she establishes annual rites in his honor, reflecting the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth associated with love. This narrative encapsulates both the joy and anguish inherent in the pursuit of love. Aphrodite is also frequently associated with the island of Cythera, where she was worshipped, and the term Cythera serves as an epithet that invokes her divine nature. Her connection to islands like Cythera and Cyprus reinforces her ties to the sea, beauty, and romantic endeavors. Culturally, Aphrodite's significance infuses ancient Greek society. Widely worshipped, her temples, such as the famed Temple of Aphrodite at Corinth, served as centers of devotion and reverence, commemorating her influence on love and beauty. Celebrations like the Aphrodisia Festival showcased her importance through rituals emphasizing love, harmony, and artistic expression. These festivities included offerings and performances embodying the spirit of joy that she represents. Throughout art and literature, Aphrodite's image has endured across the ages. Portrayed in countless sculptures, paintings, and poems, she symbolizes the ideals of beauty and love, inspiring creators and thinkers. Her presence invites reflections on human relationships, the nature of desire, and the interplay of joy and chaos in love. In sum, Aphrodite remains a rich and multifaceted goddess who represents the depths of love, beauty, and the complexities of desire. Her narratives reflect not only the passion and ecstasy associated with love, but also the potential for conflict and turmoil that can arise. Through her symbols, myths, and cultural significance, Aphrodite embodies the timeless fascination with the theme of love, continuing to resonate throughout human experience.